This is the help screen. This is how to fix Testi driving app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, the first solution is to make sure you have the latest version of the app. So just go to the Play Store and then from here guys, just search for Testi driving app. And then from here, just tap on the application. And guys, when they have an update on the app, you should be able to update it over here. And guys, if this solution doesn't work, the second solution is just go to the settings on your phone. And then from here, if you scroll down, you will find apps over here. Just tap on it. And then from here, you will see all of the installed application on your device. So first things first is find the Testi app. So guys, just tap on it. And then from here, just tap on the storage. And here, make sure to clear the cache and also clear the data. And tap on OK. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue on your Testi driving application. And guys, the third solution, if this method doesn't work, is try reinstalling the app. So first, uninstall the application. And once it is uninstalled on your device, just go back to the Google Play Store, guys. And then from there, you should be able to install it again. And then after that, you will have your Testi driving app fixed. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.